How to add long video on Facebook story. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add long videos on your Facebook story. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open your Facebook app. Now if I try to upload a long video on my story, Facebook says longer videos get shortened to 26 seconds. So the solution for this is go back to your home screen and open Play Store or App Store. And here search for Story Cutter for Facebook. Download any of these apps. I have downloaded this app. Now in this app I'm gonna select Facebook split 20 seconds. Now select the video you want to upload on your story. So this video is of 1 minute, but this app will split it into 20 seconds part. So when I will upload the video of 20 seconds clip, it will look like I have posted the whole long video on my story. So I will show you how it will look like. So I will tap on here save video. Now this app is splitting the video in 20 seconds part. It has split it into 4 parts. Now I will go back to my Facebook and here select multiple and here select the story from starting to finish. Now tap next and tap on share. So I will wait for the video to get uploaded on my story. Now if I open my story, the long video is uploaded into 20 seconds part, but it looks like I have uploaded the whole video at once. So this is how you can upload long video on your Facebook story. Thanks for watching.